Hi guys! Just wanna share my newest baby from Zara Perfume Collection. This Fields at Nightfall Blush. Ang pretty ng bata niya guys. Yun yung scent niya, very mild yung pagka-sweet niya. And it gives you rich vibes. It has essential notes of pink gardenia intertwined with a trickle of white caramel. Yeah, binasa ko lang siya guys. Nabili ko siya for about 890 NT dollars. Napasaya siya ng binili ko guys. Less 40%. So, 500 plus ko na lang ata siya nabili. And my all-time favorite, guys, ang Zara Golden Decade. This is my second bottle na, but elixir version yung binili ko this time. It gives you a scent of mandarin, orange blossom, vanilla bourbon, and amber woods. Alam niyo yung amoy niya, guys, kahit nasa labahan na yung damit mo, andun pa rin yung scent niya. Kahit 24 hours na, andun pa rin, very long-lasting yung scent niya. Nabili ko naman to for 1,290 NT dollar. Ayan. Binili ko pa siya guys sa Taipei 101 branch of Zara. Simula nung nabili ko to at nagamit ko yung perfume ng Zara. Dati nakakalabas ako ng bahay na walang perfume. Ngayon, ayoko na lumabas ng bahay na walang perfume, guys. Super bango ng Zara. Nakaka-addict yung amoy niya, guys. Thank you, Zara, for letting me know your perfume collections. Yun lang, wanna share. Bye!